Green got a job. They are a cashier. Green shows Wayne their cash register. Hey, Green, how are you?
I'm good, Wayne. How are you?
I'm good. What is that?
This is my cash register. I got a job. I'm a cashier.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations, Green.
Thanks.
Can you show me your cash register?
Sure. This is the on button. You press this to turn the cash register on. This is the off button. You press this to turn the cash register off. This is the open button. You press this to open the cash drawer. This is the addition button. You press this to add numbers. This is the subtraction button. You press this to subtract numbers. This is the multiplication button. You press this to multiply numbers. This is the division button. You press this to divide numbers. This is the equals button. You press this to get a total. This is the decimal button. You press this for a decimal point. And these are all the number buttons. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Thanks for showing me your cash register, Green.
My pleasure.
Congratulations, Green.